everyone, welcome from Frogtech Tips. I've got another shortcut. Yeah, short is short. Short circuit on the board. Yeah, why not? We can try repair, or I definitely show you how to repair this one. Okay, we got a HD 7950 with short. This card, I personally see this card make a little spark on this point here, and the reason why it's actually mega short is been simply, if you have a look at these 2 points, the problem is being the one of this plastic is going down, like this clip is not holding anymore because there is a small cooler here, and there's actually stopped making a pressure on voltage regulator or VCC, yeah. And once using the card actually is working sometimes and sometimes not. We don't know why. We try to find it the reason. We're thinking there is a power supply faulty or stuff like this, but on the end it's been actually problem with this VCC. And we see the little spark going here. After that you left the card like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you start again, PC again make a small spark and stop working again, like, you know, classic short car you can switch on your PC because actually doesn't work at all. And yeah, we find it is definitely short because I tried the standard way, you know, like plug in this PCI Express, it work, plug in on this one, it stop working, unplug, the card is working, just doesn't get the signal because it doesn't have enough power. But yeah, we plug in back, card working little bit, and after that stop working. And I find it because this plastic is not holding properly, it's actually not making pressure on the VCC and not making cooling enough. That is make it really hot and probably desolder some components or make a short between that. And I find it there is a short between this, there is a short on this one, and only what I done is actually reheat, take it down, put it back, this one on the corner, and card start working again with no problem at all. That's me. And also I fixed this plastic to be sure that it never happen again. I think because card getting so hot, the plastic is actually melting a little bit, and I'm thinking about using the glue or maybe screw to holding on the position, because now it's working, but I want to make it 100% sure it's never happen again. That's mean now I'm sure the card is working when I take it just out and back this one, yeah, and yeah, the short is gone and actually all working again. But like I said, need to make this much more secure. Frogtech Tips is here for you, and hopefully you will stay subscribed, stay tuned. Any questions, just ask below, and any tools or stuff you need, just ask, I will send you link, or just check description for some tools you will need for repair stuff like this.